Good morning, children. How are you all? God bless you all. Children, already we finished the lesson, The Insects in English. In virtual class, we revised full lesson and activities. Now also, we have to learn the same lesson in this video because it will be used for you. Whenever you need, watch this video again and again. Okay? Children, we finished how to write a leave letter to your class teacher. That letter format and also we practiced handwriting in Zoom class. We finished already. So you please do your work at home. So you all do practice handwriting in your handwriting notebook. Already I taught you L series and C series. So you just practice C series 3 pages in your handwriting notebook. Send your assignment today itself. Okay, children? How do you understand? Yes. Then you read page number 101, the boy and the butterfly. If you read again and again, you will develop your reading skill. Okay, children? So you read this lesson fully. I want to teach you one more time. You please listen. The boy and the butterfly. Sam is a good boy. He likes to help. One day, Sam sees a butterfly in a cover. Sam said, I will cut the cover to help the butterfly. Sam's grandpa said, no, let the butterfly come out on its own. Are you understand, children? Already I explained clearly in your virtual class. Even though I want to teach you one more time. Sam is a good boy. He is a good boy. The same time, he wants to help everyone. One day, Sam sees a butterfly in a cover. அவன் என்ன பார்த்தான்? பட்டர்ஃப்ளையை பார்த்தான். ஸோ அந்த கவருக்குள்ளே பட்டர்ஃப்ளை இருக்குது. கவர்னா நாட் அ பாலித்தீன் கவர். தட் இஸ் குக்கூன். ஒரு பட்டர்ஃப்ளை வந்து கேட்டர்பில்லராக இருக்கும். அந்த கேட்டர்பில்லராக இருக்கும்பொழுது அது ஒரு கூடு கட்டும். அந்த கூடு கட்டுறதுலேருந்து அதுக்குரிய நேரத்தை கழித்து தான் அது வெளியே வெடிச்சிக்கிட்டு வரும். ஸோ he saw a cover. He wants to cut the cover, but Sam's grandpa said, no, let the butterfly come out on its own. அதுவா தானா வர வரைக்கும் விடு அப்படின்னு அவங்க கிராண்ட்பா சொன்னார். But Sam cuts the cover to help the fly. The fly comes out, but it is not able to fly away. ஏன் பறக்க முடியல அதால்? அதுக்குரிய நேரத்தில் அதுவாக வெளியே வந்தால் அது பறக்கும். அவசரப்படக்கூடாது எதுக்கும். புரியுதா, children? Are you understand what I am telling you? Yes. The next day, Sam sees it on the same rock. எதை பார்த்தான் சாம் வந்து அந்த பட்டர்ஃப்ளையை அந்த ராக் மேலே, அந்த பாறை மேலே இருக்கிறத பார்க்குறான். Sam asked, why is the butterfly on the rock? ஏன் வந்து இந்த பட்டர்ஃப்ளை இன்னும் இங்கேயே உட்காந்துட்டுருக்கு ராக் மேலேயே அப்படின்னு அவங்க தாத்தா கிட்டே கேட்குறான். Grandpa said, only if it cuts the cover on its own. Are you understand this sentence? Only if it cuts the cover on its own. அதுவாகவே தானாகவே கட் பண்ணி வெளியே வந்திருந்தா அது அழகாக பறக்க முடியும். நீ அவசரப்பட்டு என்ன பண்ணிட்ட? சீக்கிரமே கட் பண்ணிட்ட அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறார் தாத்தா. Sam said, sorry grandpa. ஐயோ நான் தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேனே. So he felt very sad. Sorry grandpa, I will never do this again. Sometimes அம்மா சொல்லுவாங்க உங்களுக்கு வேலை இதை செய்யாதே சொல்லுவாங்க. ஆனால் நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, சில நேரங்களில் தப்பு பண்ணிடுவீங்க. அந்த மாதிரி தப்பு பண்ணக்கூடாது. புரியுதா? இப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க, இந்த லெசன்லேருந்து நம்ம அவசரப்படக்கூடாது, எதுக்கும் நின்று நிதானமாக ஒர்க் பண்ணணும். Or you understand, children? You please read the story again and again. You will be improve your English skill, reading skill. Okay, children? Yes. Now we will go. Let us think and do. Circle the correct word. Here the pictures are given. You have to correct the word. Circle the correct word. What picture is given in first one? First one is Sam going to cut something. Cuts, eats. Which one comes here? Cuts. It comes cuts. The second one is, what the picture is this? Butterfly or snail? It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. So you have to circle the word butterfly. Are you understand, children? Next, choose and complete the sentence. Choose and complete the sentences. They given in a bracket: cut, help, rock. Cut, help, rock. Sam likes to dash. What will come here? What comes here? Sam likes to help. He wants to cut a? No. First he wants to do help. So Sam likes to help. The first one is help. Sam saw it on the dash. Sam saw it on the rock. It, to whom? Butterfly. Sam saw butterfly on the rock. The third one is, Grandpa said not to dash, not to cut. Grandpa told, na, don't cut, Sam. Yes, Grandpa said not to cut. And also they given a stick your ladybug below. I taught you in your Zoom class, so you do at home. Okay, we will go next. Big picture. Big picture. Here some insects pictures are given. It's a beautiful garden, but here some insects pictures are given. We have to find out the insects, where is place it. Okay, some questions are given under the picture, so you answer the question. Now we will see, children. Yes. Where is the ant? The ant is in the hill, isn't it? The ant is in the hill. Where is the snail? The snail is near the well. The snail is near the well. Yes. Where is the bee? Bumblebee. Where is the bumblebee? The bumblebee is on the flower. On the flower. Where is the beetle? The beetle is on the leaf. See, where is it? Near the pumpkin, na? Yes. Did you find out? Yes. Where is the caterpillar? The caterpillar is in the mushroom. In the mushroom. Where is the butterfly? The butterfly is on the mushroom. Did you find out where is it? Yes. Where is the dragonfly? The dragonfly is on the flower. The dragonfly is on the flower. The eighth one is, where is the mosquito? Did you find out where is it? Yes, the mosquito is on the floor. Yes. Where is the grasshopper? The grasshopper is on the grass. Grasshopper is on the grass. The 10th one, last one is, where is the spider? The spider is under the mushroom. See, look at the picture. Yeah, did you find out the picture? Where is the spider? It is under the mushroom. Very good, children. Now we will go. I can do. The next activity is I can do. Write the names of the insects. Write the names of the insects. Here in bracket they given some names. Housefly, bumblebee, spider. And also they given a picture. You have to find the name of the insects. So the first one is, what insects? What is the name of the insect? It is spider. Yes, it is spider. The second one is bumblebee. It's a honeybee, isn't it? Yes, the second one is bumblebee. So you write the name. They given a 4 lines, no? So you please write it in 4 lines. Then the third one is, what is that? It is housefly. We always see in our house, isn't it? Yes, it is housefly. Then we go for tick and correct one. Tick and correct one. Tick right. A is dragonfly is dash. Dragonfly is dash. It's red color or blue color? What we learnt in the lesson? Dragonfly is blue. Yes, very good. B is ant walks with its dash. Wings and legs. It has wings. Some ants are having wings, but here ants walks with its legs. So you put tick legs. The insects live near the dash. Sea or pond. The insects live near the pond. Yes, pond is correct. So you please tick word pond. The tongue of the chameleon is dash. The tongue of the chameleon is dash. It's sticky or smooth? It always sticky, so that it will be easy to eat any insects or their food. Okay. So the tongue of the chameleon is sticky. You put tick. You select sticky. The boy cuts the cover to help the dash. The boy cuts the cover to help the butterfly. He helps to butterfly only. So you please put tick butterfly. The next one is third one. Listen and circle the words that your teacher says. First you read the paragraph. Then they given some words under the paragraph. Note to the teacher. Read the words shark, star, art, park, farm. Shark, SHARK, shark. Star, STAR, star. Art, ART, art. Park, PARK, park. Farm, FARM, farm. Now you read the paragraph, then you find out the words in that paragraph, you circle it. Are you understand, children? Can we read the paragraph? Yes, you please follow me. Lalita is a star. Lalita is a star. She makes very nice art. She makes very nice art. Last time she drew a form to win the prize. First prize. She win the first prize. Today she is drawing a park. Today she is drawing a park. Her friend Dina has asked her to draw a shark as gift. Her friend Dina has asked her to draw a shark as gift. Now you easily find out the words. You find out the words. So what are the words? Shark, star, art, park, farm. Lalita is a star. Yes, you make a circle. Star is given in this bracket. Then she makes very nice art. Art is also given. So you circle the word art. Last time she drew a farm to win the first prize. Farm. Yeah, farm word is also given. So you circle it. Today she is drawing a park. Park, the word is given in the bracket. So that also you have to circle. Her friend Dina has asked her to draw a shark as gift. Shark. Yes. That also there, no? You make a circle. Shark. Now we will go for match the following. Here in the left side, ant, caterpillar, snail. They given ant, caterpillar, snail. In right side they given crawl, slide, march. So you have to match the following. Ant, always ant. What he has to do? March. Ant, march. Yes, match it. Then caterpillar. Caterpillar is always crawl, crawling. Yes, you match it. Then snail. Snail. It always slide only. So you will match slide. Okay, children? Yes. Children, now all of you take your page number 105. We finished 104. So now we will go 105 page number. This is recite the poem Incy Wincy Spider with intonation. Okay, you recite the poem, and also I taught you poem how to rhyme. You sing a song Incy Wincy Spider. Okay, children? Yes. Then listen to the teacher and answer. Listen to the teacher and answer. Here a picture is given. a shop is there. One boy wants to get something. He is asking to seller, could you give me a watermelon? Could you give me a watermelon? Okay, what he answered for that one? Any guess? Yes. He will ask, yes, it is 20 rupees. It is 20 rupees. So you can write, it is 20 rupees. The seventh one is, tick the correct picture for the given word. The first picture, you can see what they given in, in. So the clown is near the chair, in the box, on the drum. So which one is correct? In the box. So in. So second one is correct. So you put tick second picture. Next word is under. Under. Yes. Now you see the picture. Look at the picture. This clown, this man is standing near the drum, far away for the ball. Here under the table. So what word is given here? Under. So which one comes here? Which picture? The third picture, under the table. The next one is near. The third one is, word is near. Which one comes here? Look at the picture. This man is standing near the chair, under the table, in the box. Which one comes here? Near. Near the chair. So first picture you put tick. Okay children, now we finished 105. We finished fully. So the next is learning outcome. Now I can. Children, here the picture given, some children are having a balloons. See how it is? You make a color, but before that you have to read one by one. The first one is name the insects. Yes, you learnt many name of the insects, isn't it? Yes, so you color it. Any color, your choice only. The second one is recite the poem Incy Wincy Spider. That also we finished. So you make a color, different colors. Okay. The third one is name actions related to insects. Do you know how to react? In first class I taught you some insects, name of the insects and their activities. So that also we finished. So you make the color on balloons. Say and read the words with or and ast. Yes, car, fast. We finished, no, that activities. That also we finished. So you please color it. If you finish thoroughly, then you color it. Okay children? Yes. The next one is use in, on, under and near in a sentence. Yes, that also we finished. So you color it in, on, under and near. These all are preposition. Preposition is the grammar. I will teach you next class separately. Okay? Yes. Read the story, The Boy and the Butterfly. So now only we finished. That also we finished. But you have to read at home. Then only you color it. Answer using here. It is. Answer using here. The insects are given in the picture. You only find out, no, so that you color it. Read words from the word wall. Read words from the word wall. Okay, we will see next class. The ask question with where and answer it. You finish, no? This also, the big picture. Then you answered everything. So that you color it, everything. Hi children, we finished the lesson, the insects and their activities. So you read at home children. In next class I will give you the notes. But today's assignment is do all the activities in your term book and submit today. Thank you children. Bye.